Bacterial genetic variation. Mutation is definition: change in the nucleotide sequence of a gene, usually resulting from an error during DNA replication. Random, undirected, heritable variation. It can be addition or deletion or substitution of a base, that is point mutation. Then next one, frame shift mutation, and that is deletion of number of nucleotides. Then extensive chromosomal rearrangement, that is known as multiple mutation. So point mutations or base substitution, that is a single base pair, either purine by another purine or pyrimidine by another pyrimidine, that is known as translation. Then purine or pyrimidine by purine or codon level, that is missense mutation. One amino acid for another, or triplet called code is altered, that is when another one is silent mutation which is not expressed, and nonsense mutation which is having non-stop. Next one, frame shift mutation, which causes insertion deletion of smaller regions, chromosomal larger regions, deficiencies in larger deletions, aneuploidy, that is the entire chromosomes. Then induced or spontaneous by chemical or physical changes. Then lethal, conditional or forward or reverse, and true for mutation, that is fluctuation test, replica plating method, AMES test for carcinogen. So lethal mutation results in death of the cells and propagation not possible and study not possible. Then conditional mutation, one that is expressed under certain environmental conditions, example temperature sensitive mutation. Then auxotrophic mutation, that results in alternative biochemical pathway, then which can affect in gene alteration, insensitivity to bacteriophages, drug susceptibility or antigenic formula, etc. So these are examples of a normal gene. As the man saw the dog hit the can and is. As the man saw the dot hit the can and it is. Point mutation. T is getting substituted. Then as the man saw deleted, hit the can and its deletion mutation. Then as the man saw the fat dog hitting, that is insertion. As the man saw OGHITT HEC 1 and it is frame shift mutation. Then base analogs, a chemical similar in structure to one of the bases can substitute it, but it will pair abnormally. Example, 5-bromouracil substitutes thymine, it pairs with G instead of A, guanine instead of adenine. Then mutagen can alter the base structure that lead to alteration in base pairing. Example, nitrosoguanidine adds methyl group of guanine, it pairs with T instead of C. Then bypass replication, that is chemical changes can damage the bases so that they can no longer base pair at all and they cannot serve as template. Formation of thymine dimers by UV radiation, they cannot hydrogen bond at all. Most of the induced mutations are either but repair mechanism occurs by the error prone. Screening of auxotrophic mutants by replica plating by Lederberg. To differentiate phototrophs and auxotrophs, mutants cannot grow in the absence of a particular nutrient on which they are dependent, that is lysine. Auxotroph can grow on a medium supplemented with lysine and not otherwise. Then in AMES test, that is carcinogenicity testing to find out the environmental carcinogens. Histidine auxotrophs of Salmonella used. Test mutagen used, that is reversed mutation and spontaneous mutation noted. Relative mutagenicity by counting colonies.